guys, back again with another reaction video. I'm David.
What's good, what's good? My name's Esther, back again, reacting to Shakira.
She Wolf and Give It To Me. Hope you guys enjoy.
NBA All-Star Game. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, that face. Visuals. Ah, she changed from a wolf into a
human, innit? She Wolf. Oh, sorry. Hey, okay. Oh, the cage.
Come on!
Hey.
Hey!
Hey, okay. This song is so legendary, I swear down.
SOS in disguise. SOS, she's in disguise. There's a she-wolf in disguise. Coming up, coming up, coming up. What? Hey! Come on! Hey! Don't break your back! Come on!
Right? Why?
There's a she-wolf in the closet. What? Whenever she does like big, like major, like performances, like the obviously the NBA or what was the other one? The one that she performed with J-Lo. What's that called?
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl. That's the only time yet I've seen her with like backup dancers. Any other time she's literally by herself on stage. But yeah, listen.
Killing it. Stage presence.
Hey.
What?
She's in disguise. What? She wolf in disguise. Coming up, coming up, coming up. What? Hey! Oh yeah, I was just gonna do the dance. You know the dance here when she's like...
When it does that, like the flute, you know when it does a solo and it's on. I thought it was gonna do like one of them, and then she's gonna do like a Shakira type of dancing.
I thought she was gonna, because you know in the video when she's like, anyways. Coming up, coming up, coming up. SOS, she's in disguise. SOS, she's in disguise. There's a she-wolf in disguise. Coming up, coming up, coming up.
What?
Oh, she's doing that. Hey. Whoa, okay.
Yeah.
whenever I see this, I literally wish we did this in England. Like at school, we don't have no band.
We ain't got no bands. We ain't got no.
And when I talk about bands, I'm talking about this type of bands.
I mean, there's cheerleaders, but they're not. It's not like
in America or other countries. It's not the same. Like it's not. We don't. No.
Plus, we don't even really have shows like this as well. Like even like the Premier League, because the Premier League is like really big in
they
the
only
UK.
do this for like
or
basketball.
even rugby as well.
Yeah,
but they do this for basketball, but they do it as well for like the Super Bowl.
Yeah, but we don't have the Super Bowl. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, but like we've got equivalent. We've got football. We've got rugby.
Yeah, they don't do this though. They don't do this for rugby and football.
Yeah,
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Come on. Come on. Jeez.
Then what?
What?
Yeah.
Hey. Come on. She changed.
Yeah, quick. Can it quick that? Hey.
I was about to miss that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey.
Whoa.
What?
Bro, stop it right there. Just stop. Nah, can't be doing that.
So
You need to no.
Let's just chill. Hey, that's the thing that Timberland, Timberland.
Yeah, Timberland.
I think so. Wait, do we know this song?
This is not the one with Timberland. I swear it's the one with what's that guy's name? Lil Wayne.
Oh, that's probably yeah.
So I don't think she has a song with Tim.
No, not song.
Produced.
Yeah,
Sorry, produced. Yeah.
It could be the one. Yeah, it could be.
With,
As in, this
Lil
might
Wayne.
be the one with Lil Wayne, but produced by Timberland.
Oh, okay. Hey. Come on, bro.
Okay. A robot a bit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nah, that's that cheerleading type of thing, isn't it? That's like when you go to like a. I've seen when they go to them NBA. I mean them football games.
And they're like. But this reminds me of gumboot dancers in South Africa. That's what it reminds me. You know the ones that. I can't do it, but you know what I mean.
Nah, it's the whole China thing. I'm just thinking of that American football type thing.
It does, but the stuff when they're like.
Oh yeah.
That reminds me of gumboot dancers.
Hey.
You really know until you try. We're so ahead of this.
Wait!
Okay.
Listen! Come on! Stop, man!
What? Make it happen. Anything you want in the bed.
Anything you want in the world. Anything you want in the world.
Leave it up to me.
Hey! Anything you want in the world. Hey! Anything you want in the world. Anything you want in the world. You know this shit, that's a high voice. Huh? Hear that? Wait! Is she leaning to the side? Where? What is
No,
she?
she's got cross legs.
Why does she look like she's
Cross legs, look.
Oh, okay. I thought she looks like she's leaning. Huh? You know that's good, like. This was sick.
Cold.
Hey. No, she did that. She did that.
She came in cold.
She actually came. Nah, man.
Hey?
She did that.
That
I'm
was,
sorry. That was hard. That was hard, man.
That was actually pretty cold, I'm not gonna lie.
That was, when was this? 2010.
2010?
Is it 20? What?
No way.
Do you know what? Yeah, I'm seeing this and I'm seeing that some artists have probably taken inspiration from Shakira. Well, that is me thinking this was like...
No, I saw that. I knew it was... Oh, I thought 2014. What?
2010.
Jeez.
Bro, that's... Wow.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Nah, she really left it all on stage. She did her thing.
She went in.
Guys, I don't know what you think about that, but you know for a fact she went in.
She was cold.
Anyways, guys.
Let us know what you think about that one. Make sure to like, to comment, subscribe, to leave the suggestion, drop us below, turn notifications so you know when to know. Without further ado, you guys.
See you guys in the next video. Deuces.